Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 14 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. Let's see what I played with today. I got out the Newton's Nook Birthday Party 6x6 paper pad. I got out the Newton's Nook Slimline Frames and Windows die. I just got this and I was kind of excited to play with it. I used some enamel dots from Doodlebug. They're the rainbow assortment. And then the Newton's Nook Loveable Llamas stamp set and the matching dies. And here is the card that I created. I haven't done a slimline in quite a while. It's one of those sizes, I really like it, but I don't think about it often. So I was excited to do that. Oh, excuse me. Filming this very late one night. Sorry about that. Goodness gracious. I heat embossed the sentiment, have a llama fun on your birthday. Colored up those llamas and cut them out. And then there's that paper behind there. And then there's those Doodlebug sprinkles. On the inside, I have one of the llamas and a strip of the paper. On my camera, it looks like it's showing like a blue. It's actually, it's Island Indigo from Stamping Up. It's kind of a teal blue. I don't know if it'll show the true colors there, but anyways, there is my card for day 14, and I think it turned out really cute and just so fun. It just makes me happy looking at it. Alrighty then, I hope you have a good day. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. That means we're almost halfway through the month. Just like that, you snap your fingers and poof, half the month is gone. Anyways, I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafting.